An audit is coming, and yeah, I know the tension is real. Want to know how to crush it without losing sleep? I'm Alexander, your go-to-go guy for practical food safety tips. Today, I'm giving you advice you can actually use, so your audit doesn't just pass, it shines. Happy customers, happy team members, and a happy board of directors. What more can you wish for? So let's be real. Audits aren't just about ticking boxes. They're about making sure your processes are safe, compliant, and actually work. A bad audit? That can mean fines, recalls imposed by the authorities, resulting in negative publicity and reputation headaches. Not to forget the risk of losing your certification status. And most of the time, it's the small stuff, like a missing document, an operator giving a wrong answer. That's all it takes to lose points during your audit. Tip 1. Prep like a pro. Make sure your team knows exactly what's expected. Assign roles, run through the usual auditor questions, and check your documentation. HACCP plans, cleaning logs, CCP records, validation studies, etc. Digitalize if you can. Fast access means less panic. Tip 2. Do a gap analysis. Compare your processes with the audit protocol, with the standards, with the legislation. Spot the weak spots and fix them immediately. It's how you walk into the audit confident instead of nervous. You can do this either yourself or you can hire an expert who knows his stuff. Tip 3. During the audit, honesty wins. Auditors are people who want clear, concrete answers with proof to back it up. Yes, auditors drink coffee too. To come back to the honesty aspect, better be honest instead of trying to hide things. A good auditor will see through that. And that, my friend, will have an effect on the rest of the audit. Believe me, you don't want the auditor against you for the rest of the audit time. Tip 4. After the audit. Once it's over, debrief with your team right away. Tackle improvements immediately and make a clear action plan. Document lessons learned. It's like leveling up your processes for the next audit. Here's my bonus mindset tip. Here's the thing. Audits aren't just a punishment. They're a chance to tighten your processes. A top score? That's just a side effect of a good preparation, a solid team, and proper documentation. But overall, learn from your mistakes. See them as an opportunity to improve, to get better. To get better not only for the auditor, but as a company. Want more actionable tips for flawless food safety audits? Hit subscribe and drop your questions below.